Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best robot vacuums available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have iRobot Robot Vacuum. The Roomba 692 is a great way to begin cleaning your home smarter. You can just schedule it to clean up daily dirt, dust and debris with the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. The 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes grab dirt from carpets and hard floors, and edge sweeping brush takes care of corners and edges. The patented 3-stage cleaning system is specially engineered to loosen, lift and suction everything from small particles to large debris from carpets and hard floors. Its dirt detect sensors alert the Roomba robot vacuum to clean more thoroughly on concentrated areas of dirt. The newly updated iRobot Home app allows you to upgrade your overall cleaning experience. It can run for up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. This 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes grab dirt from carpets and hard floors, and edge sweeping brush takes care of corners and edges. At number 5 we have Ufi Robot Vacuum. This automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean. This anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. It's automatically recharges so it's always ready to clean. This RoboVac may be super slim at 2.85 inches, but it's packed with Boost IQ technology and up to 1,300 pascals of suction power to ensure your floors and carpets are clear of all dirt, dust and crumbs. The anti-scratch tempered glass cover provides a sleek look and superior protection for RoboVac, while the triple-layer high-performance filter achieves a better clean for your home. At number 4 we have iRobot Robot Vacuum. The Roomba J7 Plus Robot Vacuum uses iRobot Genius technology and precision vision navigation to recognize and avoid common objects in its way like cords, pet waste, socks and shoes. Only iRobot brings you Imprint Smart Mapping, allowing you to control and schedule which rooms are cleaned and when, while storing multiple maps for easier cleaning on each level of your home. Plus, customizable keep out zones and clean zones allow you to tell them the exact area to avoid and clean. You can simply use the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant to tell Roomba to immediately clean that spot and consider it done. At number 3 we have Noise Robot Vacuum. It comes with a water tank installed inside the machine. S5 Pro is capable of damp mopping to achieve spotless floors following vacuuming. This S5 Pro is an auto-clean robot without navigation. The robot might repeat cleaning the same space if it detects the obstacles again and again in a very limited space. It is powered with 2400 mAh lithium battery. S5 Pro can deliver an approx 110 mN cleaning per full charge. It comes with cliff detect sensors. S5 Pro can identify stairs and switch cleaning routes, preventing falling off. S5 Pro slows down while approaching obstacles, and TPU bumper provides double protection in case running into any furniture. At number 2 we have iLife Robot Vacuum. This A4S Pro is upgraded with maximum suction 2000 pascals. Auto boost suction is applied when runs on carpets for enhanced cleaning. It is a perfect choice for carpeted floor. Also new added Electro Wall protects restricted cleaning area. This iLife A4S Pro Robot Vacuum has a powerful 2000 pascal suction in spot mode and 1500 pascals in max mode. It comes with slim height 2.95 inches. A4S Pro can easily reach under beds and sofas. iLife A4S Pro Robot Vacuum has a powerful 2000 pascal suction in spot mode and 1500 pascals in max mode. A4S Pro can effectively pick up dust on carpets. This carpet auto boost feature is also A+ when handles carpets. At number 1 we have Trifo Robot Vacuum. This robot vacuum functions with the most powerful cleaning suction on the market. It comes with a large 600 ml dustbin, and washable main filter. Families are ready to tackle any mess. By using the app you can adjust the suction power. The camera also has 1080p HDR color and TOF sensor lean. The Trifo robotic vacuum identifies obstacles in the dark while paying attention to potential threats to provide protection. It has capture images and use the microphone to speak through the robotic vacuum cleaner, that's bringing you a higher degree of safety and control. It is powered by 5200 mAh lithium batteries. Lucy can clean up to 2700 square feet for up to 120 minutes of running time. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best robot vacuums for your need.